Sir Danny, or Boss DF, was full of wisdom, which he loved to share with us Panay News employees. Just like a father to his children, he wanted to motivate and inspire us to do more and do better. With what Panay News has become now, still going strong despite the challenges especially brought by the pandemic, it can be told that he is an accomplished father to us, men and women of Panay News. Even if he transitioned to another realm, the so-called great beyond, his teachings to us remain alive and fresh in our hearts and minds. These have served as guideposts in every day of our life. Thus, it feels like he has never really left. If Sir Danny were still with us today, what would he have done? What would he be telling us about his media children? He once said that our world is a revolving machine, so we must have the courage to evolve too and not stay dormant, or we would be left behind by the wayside irrelevant, he warned. Yes, Sir Danny was not short in courage. Surely, this pandemic wouldn't scare him. His infectious nerve of steel is one precious thing that keeps us in Panay News going. As truth-tellers, our job is more than ever crucial in a pandemic that has curtailed people's movement and access to truthful and useful information, what with alternative truths and fake news spreading like wildfire, especially on social media. He also warned that there are enemies of press freedom, and these are not ordinary people. They are big. They have the force, power, and influence. Sir Danny himself battled and overcame more than 200 cases of libel. He stressed that this should not be a reason to be coward in fear, that Panay News should stay with its resolve to expand the culture of press freedom in this part of the country. That is its philosophy. It must be consistent with this policy of truth-telling and untrammeled press, Boss DF insisted. He fully understood that the people want to know the truth and respected the Ilonggos public's wish for this, the very reason why he put up Panay News in the first place nearly 4 decades ago. We in Panay News thus continue to remind ourselves, even in these perilous times, to be the vanguard of press freedom. Yes, these were the very words of our dear Sir Danny, a maverick journalist, and they ring ever true. Ah yes, as a doting father, Sir Danny would constantly egg us to improve our craft in our favorite paper too, and have determination to make it really the favorite of the people, not only in Region 6, but all over the country. And deep in his heart, Sir Danny knew this would be achieved in due time, as the next generations of the family will, have no doubt because we believe, continue the operations of Panay News. This is the legacy he left with his children, so to the Ilonggos too, and one that he could truly be proud of.
Today we commemorate the legacy of a remarkable man, a dear friend, and a true champion of journalism and public service, Mr. Danny G. Fajardo. Danny was not just a journalist, but a torchbearer of truth and a defender of free press. His founding of Panay News was a testament to his commitment to delivering unbiased news to our community. Danny and I share the deep passion for change beyond our home provinces, him in Iloilo and me in Antique. In our own ways, we strive to uplift our beloved Panay, supporting local initiatives and giving the voice to those who need it most. As we remember Danny today, on his 5th death anniversary, let us honor his legacy by continuing the noble work he started. Let us strive for excellence in journalism and dedicate ourselves to the betterment of Panay, just as Danny did. His memory will forever inspire us to advocate passionately for our communities and the truth. May your dear friend Danny rest in peace, knowing that his impact on Panay and its people will never be forgotten.